Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Soulful Positivity, where we strive to empower and uplift each other on our journey to a fulfilling life. I'm your host, King Soulful, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for securing a peaceful and abundant future: preparing for retirement. Segment 1: Understanding the importance of retirement planning. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uplifting content. Now, let's talk retirement. Many of us dream of a life where we can kick back, travel, and spend quality time with loved ones. But achieving that dream requires careful planning. Segment 2: Assessing your financial situation. It all starts with understanding your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your expenses, debts, savings, and investments. This self-assessment will give you a clear picture of where you stand and what you need to work towards. Segment 3: Setting retirement goals. Visualize your retirement goals. Do you want to travel the world, volunteer, or simply enjoy more time with family? Having specific goals in mind will help you determine how much you need to save and invest to achieve the retirement you desire. Segment 4: Crafting a retirement savings strategy. Now, let's talk strategy. Consider maxing out your employer's retirement plan contributions and explore other investment options like IRAs and a 401k. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and ensure steady growth over time. Segment 5: Implementing lifestyle adjustments. As you work towards retirement, it's essential to make some lifestyle adjustments. Cut down unnecessary expenses, pay off high-interest debts, and focus on living within your means. Segment 6: Seeking professional guidance. Sometimes, it's best to seek guidance from professionals. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized retirement plan based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Segment 7: Nurturing your well-being in retirement. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about nurturing your overall well-being. Stay physically active, engage in hobbies, and maintain a strong social network. A fulfilling retirement involves staying connected and finding purpose. And there you have it, beautiful souls, a comprehensive guide to preparing for retirement. Remember, your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay positive, stay empowered, and until next time, this is King Soulful signing off.